Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Gennetta and this is Being GTV. So today, oh girl, take your glasses off. So today I decided to go to farmer's market because I wanted to pick up some fresh kale. So I grabbed the camera and I'm going to take you guys along with me.
Those are all hand crocheted flowers and leaves. These are double-sided ornaments.
Okay.
All handmade. On special today, $3.
Oh, okay. How much is this one?
That's $75.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, these are all hand crocheted leaves and flowers.
Oh, okay. Pretty. Very nice. That's cute too. I like that.
This is a citronella candle. You get the citronella oil, and then it burns.
Okay.
And she's the expert on that.
Okay. How much is that?
The candle.
The candle.
So these are oil torches.
Okay.
And so you fill them with citronella oil or another type of oil, and then the pine cone leaves start to float around and kind of decorate the bottle.
Okay.
And pine is a natural insect repellent as well.
Okay. And how much is it?
These are $25.
25. Okay.
Yep.
All right. And how long do you think it'll last? Like if you burn it?
So the wick will last forever unless it gets wet or something like that, but these never need to be replaced because they're Teflon based. Okay. And then the oil, it depends. It really depends on the type of oil that you use, but you should need to, I would say a bottle this size, depending on how often you burn it, filled up to about here, could last you easily a month or two.
Okay. Okay.
Depending on how often you use it.
Nice stuff. Nice stuff. Very nice. Let me get
Thank you.
I like your top too. I have it.
Oh, thank you.
How much is this panda one?
That one is 30.
30. My daughter would love that. She loves pandas.
Aww. I love pandas too. He's actually, strangely, the only panda that I have right now, which is really bizarre.
Oh, okay. And you did all of these yourself?
Yeah. Yeah, they're all one of a kind, all done by hand.
And how long does it take? So for the smaller plates, how long does that take to do?
It depends on a couple of things. It depends on how complicated the picture is, and it depends on how cooperative the materials are that day. Sometimes it's quicker, like an hour. Sometimes it's a little longer. It just
you got
depends.
prices right there.
Yeah.
Okay. Good morning. Good morning. I'm good.
Hello, how are you?
Hi.
Freestone? Not yet. Yeah, trying to sell it.
Can I have a basket of the kale? Then And then I need a zucchini. I don't know which one.
Anyone? Gotcha.
And then a basket of the zucchini.
This one right here?
Yep. Should get tomatoes. That's it.
Alright. That'll be $7 in total. We'll grab your change.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Can I have 2 of the almond croissants?
Oh yeah, can I just get a cheese sandwich, please? $4.50.
Thank you.
There you go. And we'll try. Oh, I know. Take your time. Got onion coffee rolls. Parker House rolls.
This is my favorite flower. Daylilies. It's so pretty. Oh, look at these. What are these called?
These tall ones here, they
Yeah.
are called gladiolas.
Oh, okay. So those. Are they, what are they, annuals or?
They're annuals. Yeah.
They are? Oh, okay.
Yeah, most of the pretty flower and stuff.
Are annuals.
Bummer.
Okay. Thank you.
Of course.
Probably the pink, but purple is my favorite color. Yeah, let's do that.
Okay. Anything else?
That's it. Okay. So this is the things that I picked up from Farmer's Market. So I just got kale, and then a few of their zucchini, and some of the John Boy peaches. I think that's the name. I have to look back at the footage. But John Boy peaches. And 2 of the almond croissants. Oh. And then some of the flowers. Some of the purple flowers. I got some of those. So that's it for this morning's trip to the farmer's market. That's all that I picked up today from the farmer's market. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. Share this video out. So I'll see you next Sunday. Bye.